What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I've got the car on board, heading down to the track. Gonna have a go at a drift night. I've not done any drifting before except for an AU Falcon around a paddock. So it's probably not the same thing, but we'll see how I go. Okay, we're down at the track. The lighting situation is horrible for us. I haven't even gone out yet. I've got a bit of a weep that I didn't even check before, coming from the turbo oil drain. Jason, no one's got gasket goo, would you believe? Jason has thought, what do you reckon? If it can hold choc milk?
I reckon if it can hold choc milk, it can hold oil.
So we're gonna make a gasket and then see what happens.
I mean, what's the worst that can happen? It's not my car.
Yeah, worst that happens, it doesn't work, it leaks oil, catches on fire, whole car burns down and we die. Absolute worst case scenario though. Shiny side up or shiny side down?
Well, the good thing about it is, it's not gonna fucking matter, is it?
There we go, we've got the perfect cutout, perfect template going on there. We'll clean the surface up beforehand, obviously. You've just spilled chalky milk down the side of your fucking car, but that's the least of our worries. Back. That did not go to plan at all. Okay, so it's Sunday morning. Things obviously didn't go to plan last night. I have got the car back here where it all began, at home in the home shed. I'm going to get the car off the trailer and swap it out with the Can-Am, put it in the shed, and then assess the damage, see what's happened. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to pull the motor out, which wouldn't be the first time, but let's go and have a look.
Yeah, 16-hour days, I just landed in Oakland. Coyote Hills and Raph Simmons out in the open. Coke and rum with Kaylin.
First thing moved. This is also, should I go into more detail later, my Can-Am Maverick Turbo. Good bit of fun out in the sand and the dirt and whatnot. Anyway, let's move on to the race car in the shed. This is where it all got built, most of it. Trusty engine crane, which I will no doubt be giving a bit of a workout soon. Let's get into it.
Look what causes these moments. I come from down the street. It's the health and the patience around us round the week. And it's the being the humans that we was bound to be. Sounds sweet. Long days, late nights, every night, gotta get it right. If you're scared, better go to church. Make it work, gotta make it work.
When it first happened, there was a lot of coolant on the ground, so I think I left that on the track. But on the trailer, there's oil. So I'm less and less thinking it's going to be easy fix. I'm more and more thinking it's going to be motor out and just fucking change it. But we'll see how we go. Just show you the coolant on the oil on the trailer. That's about the only amount of oil. I'm not about to try and start it with no oil. I know it hasn't dumped all its oil because there's not enough anywhere. I know it doesn't have coolant, but that's okay if I'm gonna turn it on and shut it off. I'll try and start it, see what I get, see what happens, see if it even wants to turn over. Oh, not great. None of these are good sounds. I'll check the dipstick and then we'll see if it's a milky colour. Alright, clean the dipstick, let's have a squeeze. Let's see in the sun, you can see it. It's actually not that bad. Yeah, it looks alright. But there is oil on the floor, so something's not right. Alright, have a bit more of a look around down there. It definitely looks like, well, you can't really see, but it definitely looks, well, you can't see because you don't have the light on either, but it definitely looks like it's coming from the head or head gasket where the head meets the block. I'll have a bit of a chat to Tim from Forged. He'll help me come up with a bit of a plan of attack, whether I just pull that head off or go ahead and yank the whole motor out. I did have a bit of a thoughts about maybe a colour change in the engine bay. Maybe even redo some of these horrible looking welds. I don't think they're even doing anything. I'm pretty, you know, I was young, I was learning. So I might even think about doing that, redo that, patch up some of the holes that aren't needed in the firewall anymore. See how we go. Time to start a new to-do list, I think, on the back windows. So first off, there we go, fix motor. There we go. Also, I did break the fender just before, so when I was trying to lift it out of the way. So fender, I don't know what you call it, just fender fix. Compression test time. I have pulled one of the plugs. Got the compression tester set up. So time to turn this bad boy over and see what happens. Okay. Back cylinder has 0 PSI. So that's not a great start. So I've just pulled the compression tester out and it is soaked with coolant. So I'm probably not even going to bother with the rest of it because that's the issue and it's not going to be good. Bonnet off, ready to pull this bad boy out, assess the damage and go from there. Alright, got the motor out on the stand, had a quick squeeze around and found the problem.